Island Krk is one of the biggest islands in Croatia and very popular summer destination. Beautiful nature, cozy towns full of historical legacy and amazing seaside attracts tourists from all around the world. It is often called the Island of Blue Flags, thanks to the beautiful beaches and clean sea. So, it is a great destination for all lovers of swimming and sunbathing. In this video, we are introducing you the most beautiful beaches of Island Krk. The most popular beach on the island is Vela plaža on southernmost part of the island, in front of the city Baška. It is the largest natural pebble beach on the Adriatic. The gentle pebble shaped by the sea allows free movement even for those with more sensitive feet, while relatively shallow waters and protection from the winds make this beach ideal for families with small children. Another beautiful pebble beach is in the bay Oprna near Stara Baška. Hidden under the high cliffs that are surrounding small cove, Oprna beach is another jewel of the Krk shoreline. Around 6 kilometers east of Baška, hidden in inaccessible rocky karst terrain, is another amazing pebble beach, Vela luka. The beach can be reached only by foot or by boat, and the arrival on foot is a real mountaineering venture. On the other side, due to complicated access, beach is never overcrowded. Idyllic beach of Golden Bay seems to be taken from the postcard. Located on inaccessible terrain between Punas and Stara Baška, beach is possible to reach only from the sea. Therefore, it is favored for boaters, but more and more for adventurers with kayaks and SUPs. Name of the beach is coming from reflection of the sun on the golden colored cliffs that are rising over the picturesque pebble beach. Next to the historical city Vrbnik, on the eastern coast of the island is Potovošće beach. Hidden in a narrow bay, beach is carved into the inaccessible cliffs on the steep coastline. Beach is easily accessible by cars from Vrbnik.
You got me singing, way oh, way oh. You look like a guy who could treat me right. Way oh, way oh. Boy, take a chance, will you let me ride? Way oh. I could be the best thing in your life. Way oh. Maybe let's take a drive, take a drive. Way oh, way oh. Way oh, way oh. Way oh, way oh. Way oh, way oh. Way oh, way
Natural sandy beaches are rarity on Adriatic Sea, so Marak beach, near the village of Risica, is unique place on the Island Krk. The relatively small beach located below the hill with the early medieval church of St. Marak is ideal for families with small children and all those who enjoy sand under their feet. Situated on the western part of the island under deep Mediterranean forest, Mankeli Beach is recently discovered beauty and one of many beaches worth staying in this area. Pleasant views on Stress Island and remote location give this beach unique feeling.